Welcome. Imagine stumbling upon a hidden treasure chest of intriguing facts. That's exactly what you'll find in this video. Relax and enjoy. Did you know that gorillas have 98.3% DNA similarity to humans, closer than even chimpanzees? It's the largest primate by biomass, with males reaching 440 pounds, 200 kilograms, and 6 feet, 183 centimeters tall. They are also susceptible to human diseases like Ebola and respiratory infections, posing conservation threats. Gorillas also have a vocal repertoire exceeding 20 distinct vocalizations and non-verbal communication through postures, vocalizations, and facial expressions. These creatures hold a special place among my favorites. The intricate stained glass windows of Gothic cathedrals utilized advanced glassblowing techniques and chemical knowledge. Roman concrete, incorporating volcanic ash, remains stronger than some modern equivalents after 2,000 years. This key ingredient likely reacted with lime to form a more robust binding agent, calcium aluminosilicate, compared to modern Portland cement's calcium silicate hydrate. This denser, interlocking structure resists cracks and water ingress, enhancing durability. Imagine your messy room as a microcosm of thermodynamics. In the thermodynamic realm, the third law dictates that as a perfect crystal approaches absolute zero, entropy approaches a minimum. Similarly, as you tackle the disorder of your cluttered space, the act of cleaning becomes a quest for minimal chaos. While thermodynamics suggests an unattainable absolute zero, achieving absolute room perfection remains a challenge within practical limits of time and effort. So, each cleaning session brings your room closer to its version of tidiness, even if perfection remains just beyond reach. And now, with a simple analogy, you understand the third law of thermodynamics. Did you know the human body uses alternative splicing to generate an estimated 300,000 protein isoforms from just 20,000 genes? Epigenetics is the study of how your behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way your genes work. Our diet is one of the more easily studied and therefore better understood environmental factors in epigenetic change. Epigenetics blurs the lines between genetic destiny and environmental influence, raising ethical and scientific questions. Unlike animals, plants retain stem cell populations throughout their life, allowing for continuous growth and regeneration, even after injury. Understanding their regulation holds immense potential for biotechnology. Trees defy gravity using negative pressure, pulling water up incredible heights through tiny conduits called xylem. Plants aren't one-size-fits-all when it comes to photosynthesis. While most use the standard C3 pathway, also known as the Calvin cycle, C4 plants like corn are champs in hot, dry areas. Their secret weapon? An upgraded photosynthesis process. They capture CO2 twice and have less water loss. Certain plants can hyperaccumulate heavy metals from contaminated soils, offering natural pollution cleanup solutions. The Mandela effect is a fascinating and puzzling phenomenon, where large groups of people share the same false memory. It gets its name from Nelson Mandela, as many people misremember him dying in prison in the 1980s when he died in 2013. Another example is, Luke, I am your father, instead of no, I am your father. Myelin coating, the fatty sheath surrounding nerve fibers, plays a crucial role in speeding up nerve impulses. It acts like an insulator around the nerve fibers, axons. Unmyelinated nerve fibers conduct signals at speeds of around 2 meters or 6.6 feet per second. Myelinated nerve fibers can conduct signals at speeds of up to 200 meters or 656 feet per second. Damage to the myelin sheath can lead to a variety of neurological disorders, such as multiple sclerosis. In MS, the immune system attacks and destroys the myelin. The microbiome of the lungs, though less diverse than the gut, plays a crucial role in maintaining health and preventing infections, with potential implications for asthma and other respiratory pathologies. Cardiac fibroblasts, previously thought to be mere structural support cells, are emerging as crucial players in arrhythmogenesis and heart failure, offering new therapeutic targets. The cell cycle, the tightly controlled process of cell division, is essential for life. Ensuring its accuracy is crucial, as errors can lead to mutations in cancer. The intricate interplay of cyclins, CDKs, checkpoint proteins, and tumor suppressors like p53 act as safeguards in DNA integrity and prevents uncontrolled growth. Murphy's Law is an adage, sometimes phrased as "anything that can go wrong will go wrong," or "anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and at the worst possible time." While not a scientific principle, it captures the idea that things tend to go awry in unexpected ways, especially when there's potential for negative outcomes. Please subscribe. AI algorithms are accelerating the identification and development of new drugs, potentially leading to faster breakthroughs. Oxytocin plays a crucial role in trust, attachment, and social interactions. The Fermi paradox is characterized by the apparent contradiction between the vastness of the universe and the lack of evidence for extraterrestrial life remains a mystery. Molecules with the same chemical formula, but mirrored structures, called chemical chirality, can have vastly different properties, impacting fields like pharmacology and science. The uncertainty principle states that the more precisely we know a particle's position, the less we know about its momentum, and vice versa. Fleeting facial expressions lasting milliseconds can reveal hidden emotions we try to suppress. Attention. Deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. While commonly diagnosed in childhood, it can persist into adulthood, affecting various aspects of life. Dysfunction in dopamine and norepinephrine, crucial for focus and motivation, is linked to ADHD symptoms. Studies show structural and functional differences in specific brain regions, including the prefrontal cortex and striatum in individuals with ADHD. Ibn Battuta, a Moroccan scholar, embarked on epic journeys, traveling an astounding 75,000 miles, 120,000 kilometers. Battuta crisscrossed the globe, immersing himself in diverse cultures and meticulously documenting them in his travelogue, the Rihla. This fascinating record offers invaluable insights into pre-Columbian global connections, revealing a vibrant and interconnected world long before Western dominance. More than just Egypt's first female pharaoh, Hatshepsut was a visionary architect who left her mark on history with the awe-inspiring temples of Deir el-Bahri. Remarkably, her reign even coincided with the rise of the Minoan civilization across the Mediterranean, hinting at potential trade connections that spanned the sea. Maria Gaetana Agnesi, an Italian mathematician who made significant contributions to calculus and analysis, despite societal limitations on women's participation in science. Thanks for watching. Keep questioning, discovering, and exploring the world around you. The voyage never ends,